In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Google Form into a quiz. If you already have your form open in the editor, you're in the right place. Turning it into a quiz will let you assign point values, set up answer keys, and decide when and how students see their results. This is perfect for quick checks for understanding, homework, or full assessments, and it all starts in the form's settings. Look toward the top of the form editor and click the Settings tab in the top center. This is where Google Forms keeps all the controls that affect how responses are graded and displayed. Once you're there, find the option labeled Make this a quiz and switch the toggle on. As soon as you do, Google Forms unlocks quiz features for every question. You'll be able to assign points and create answer keys on questions like multiple choice, checkboxes, and dropdowns, and Google Forms can automatically grade those. Open-ended formats such as short answer and paragraph are still supported, but you'll review and score those yourself. Next, configure your grading preferences so the quiz behaves exactly the way you want. Under Release Grades, choose how results are shared. If you select immediately after each submission, students will see their scores as soon as they hit Submit, which works best for auto-gradable questions and quick practice. If your quiz includes written responses, or you'd like time to double-check answers, choose Later, after manual review. With this option, you'll review responses and release grades when you're ready, which keeps results private until you finalize them. Right below that, look at the respondent settings. Here you decide what students can see after they finish: their missed questions, the correct answers, and the total point values. Turning on missed questions helps learners identify areas to revisit. Showing correct answers can be great for feedback, but consider leaving that off until everyone has taken the quiz to prevent answer sharing. Displaying total points gives students a clear sense of performance without revealing specific answers. You can mix and match these to fit your classroom or training needs. Every change you make in settings is saved automatically, so there's nothing extra to click. Once your quiz settings are in place, you're all set to add or review your question point values and answer keys at your own pace. That's all it takes to turn a regular Google form into a functional, flexible quiz.